Looking for ways to earn money online? Have you ever considered taking online surveys? Meet Survimo, an online platform that pays you for your opinions. All you need to do is answer surveys, and voila, you're earning. It's as easy as pie, quick as a wink. And the best part is, these surveys are open to everyone. No special skills or qualifications needed. So how do you start earning with Survimo? It's simple. Let's walk through the process. First things, you need to sign up on Survimo. It's a simple process. And did I mention it's absolutely free? No hidden charges, no premium memberships, just pure earning potential at your fingertips. When you register, it's crucial to use the same email address that you use for your PayPal account. This is important as it ensures a seamless flow of your earnings from Survimo right into your PayPal account. The registration process itself is a breeze. Just enter your details. Remember to use that PayPal email and you're good to go. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. And once you're registered, that's it. You're part of the Survimo community. A world of surveys awaits, each one a chance to earn. And remember, every single survey is an opportunity for you to make money. Now that you are registered, you're ready to start making money. Next, it's time to start answering surveys. Imagine this, your inbox pings with a new invitation. It's from Survimo, inviting you to take part in a survey. It's not just any survey though. This is an opportunity to share your thoughts, your opinions, and in return, earn some money. Every survey you receive is a chance to earn up to $5. That's right, $5. And the best part, you don't have to be an expert in anything. All you need to do is answer the questions honestly. It's as simple as clicking on the link in the email, taking a few minutes to complete the survey, and voila, you're a few dollars richer. So, each time you hear that ping, remember it's not just an email. It's an opportunity to make your opinions count and get paid for it. Completed a survey? Great, you're now earning money. Earning is great, but how do you get your money? Well, once you've reached the payment threshold with Survimo, withdrawing your earnings is as easy as pie. Just navigate to your account dashboard, find the withdraw option, and request a payout. The money you've earned from answering surveys goes directly into your PayPal account. It's that simple. No unnecessary steps, no hidden fees, just your hard-earned cash, ready to spend. And there you have it. You've now earned and withdrawn money with Survimo. So, are you ready to start earning with Survimo? It's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Sign up for Survimo and start answering surveys to earn money. It's simple, it's easy, and it's a fantastic way to supplement your income. No gimmicks, no tricks, just straightforward earning. Don't delay, join the Survimo community and start making money. Start earning with Survimo today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more ways to earn money online.